read data account. Okay. Where did I put it? Right here. Copy that. First of all, $I equals 0. We don't want the progress bar to stay green. We want it, once you're logged in, to disappear, indicate that the loading is done. Okay, then dollar let's see, what's first? ID. Or to say actually, get ID, and that's string between. Oh, up here we need another include. That's a string AU3, exactly. String between main packet, and then we need the string. So for that, go back to DarkOrbit and right click and go to View Page Sources, and then you'll get the source code. Press F, and I think it's user ID. Okay, you'll get here the user ID. Let's just go ahead. Can I copy it, please? Copy that until the comma. And paste it in. Actually, we're going to use something else. This is actually easier. Oh, right. So just delete this number, add 2 parentheses, and in those do dot, asterisk, question mark. So if you want to look that up, do it. I'm not gonna go into it because it's actually a bit. It's not that complicated if you know it, but yeah, you can just look it up yourself. Comma 3. So it will be returned in an array, and we'll declare that later. Next is level. This we can string between should be okay. Okay, back to the source code. Now let's look for our level. Probably can just find it by entering level. Is there... Okay. So we'll use this one. Yeah. This is the easiest. Let's just copy. Well, actually, yeah, this is the easiest. Just copy this part with the space, copy it, paste it in these first I forgot the name again. You know, those little thingies, brain freeze. And without copying the 16, just copy this and put it in the next. That's it. Next. Okay, we want to get our experience points, so it shouldn't be too hard. See, does it find anything? Right, this is in German, so it wouldn't be experience points. You know what? I think I have an easier way. Actually, it says XP there, so I guess I could just enter XP. And yeah, that worked. So what you want to do is just copy this line, debating, do you need the whole, or can I just copy it after the CV? Whatever, just do it that way. Paste that. I'm actually thinking about this. Okay, so I actually had to quickly think about it, and I actually found out now. So we just copied this image to the end, and then we're going to copy here to that. Whoops. Let's go back. Whatever. Put that right in there. Next, just going to copy this for the sake of time. String trim left. Yeah, exactly, because it's array, then string in string bracket open. That was wrong. There we go. We need that. It should delete everything after this, so that would mean, just go ahead and search XP again, come on. So everything after this will be deleted. So at the moment, without that, it would display this, but you want the span to be gone. You just want the number. So everything after this will be deleted. So that will be all deleted. And this will also be, because it's right here and here. So yeah, one more thing. That would be string, whoops, nope, replace. Not without, yeah. Space. There we go. That should do it. Okay. And same thing for your honor. So get honor will equal accept. You have to change that because it's a different one. Honor. Let's just be lazy. Copy it. Just change the names. And I actually forgot a double bracket there. Because we open the bracket, and then here we have another bracket, so double bracket at the end. So we got ID, level, experience, and honor. Perfect. Now we want these to be displayed right in here. So how would we do that? Simple. GUI ctl set data control ID, which would be label ID. So LID, and the data is our ID here. So get ID, that's returned in variable. And because we're lazy, I'm going to copy this 4 times. Maybe and then we have to change these, of course. Level, XP, and honor. Save. And I believe just the main, and we, whoops, end the function. So we'll just loop us back to main. And yeah. So why don't we test it out? Should work. Go. Okay. So server, we're on D1. How to get your session ID? It's pretty simple. Just enter SID. No, that's actually wrong. DOSID, exactly. Just copy that 32 long digit. Whatever. Paste it in. Hit login. And we have an error. Okay. Of course, forgot an equal right here. Try that again. And More errors. Okay. Let's see, what did I do wrong? HTTP login. Wait a sec, let me just cut this and check. Must have done something wrong, but I don't see it. Well, duh. I was have to create an object. Duh. I mean, that was kind of stupid. How did I forget that? Okay, so, third time. Unknown function name. See, I'm doing like all these errors. Mostly, it takes me longer to debug my program than to actually write it. Yeah, but I'm trying to like film this and all, so okay. Unknown function name, string, real right expression. First of all, it's underscore. That's important. And then this, why is it giving me an error message? So this is an unknown function name. So I think one thing, let's see, we have progress. I think we have to add array.au3. Yeah, let's try it again. If we get another error, I'll just quickly check over everything and just cut the video. Nope. Okay, I'm just going to quickly cut it and check what I'm doing wrong. Sometimes I'm really dumb. Rep? What the hell is rep? It's reg. Oh my god. That's just too funny. Too funny. Should work now. I haven't tested it, but it should work now. Please work, because it's like 6th try already. Okay, there we go. So somehow level is not being displayed. I'll check why in a sec. So our ID, our experience, and our honor. Let me check why ID level isn't being displayed. Let's see, level, label, level. Oh. Okay, yeah. So we can do it. Actually, we forgot to do the same as with the others. To trim it. We actually want to copy this here. Put it in for here. Just change the names. save it, and run it. Oh yeah, right. I have to copy that again. So this really isn't the most efficient way to log in, but it's the only way I actually know how to right now. And there we go. Everything is being displayed. We got our ID, just to check that it's all correct. We have our ID. That's not the same ID. Lol. Lol. I must have entered the global ID. Yeah, I entered global ID. You want to enter your user key ID. My bad. So that would be right here. Actually, wait. Let me just copy this part again. Copy. Paste. There we go. So we actually can just hit login again to refresh. So no. We'll just close it and reload it. Right here. There we go. ID same, level, experience, and honor. You could also now add like your credits, iridium, jackpot, username, clan, rank, level, pretty much anything. So yeah, hope you liked this tutorial. Comment, rate, subscribe, check out my Facebook page, all links in the description. I'll see if I'll have the code included, or if I'll actually let you or actually make you write this all down, cause I'm mean. No, I'll probably add this all into the description. So just check there. You can download it, use it for your program. Give me some credit. That'd be nice. And peace out.